In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refer a friend on Etsy. Referring a friend is a simple way to help someone you know get started selling on Etsy. And in many regions, both of you may receive perks when they open a new shop using your referral. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, go to the special Etsy invite page linked in the description of this video. This is important because using the official invite page ensures your referral is tracked correctly. You can either type the address into your browser or more easily, just click the link directly from the description so you land on the right page. Once you're on that Etsy invites page, you'll see options for sharing your referral. Etsy may show you a personal invite link that you can copy and send to your friend in any way you like, such as through messaging apps or social media. If you want to use that, simply copy the link shown on the page, then paste it into a message to the friend you want to invite. When they open that link and create their shop, it will count as a referral from you. If you'd prefer to invite them directly by email, Etsy also gives you that option on the same page. Look for the section that lets you send an email invitation straight from Etsy. This is handy if your friend checks email regularly or if you want Etsy to handle the formatting of the invite for you. Click into the field provided for the email invitation. In this box, carefully type your friend's email address. Take a moment to double check the spelling, because if there's a typo, your friend will never receive the invite and the referral may not work. You can usually add just one email at a time, so focus on one friend first, then repeat the steps for others if you like. After entering the email, look for the button labeled Invite Now. When you're sure the address is correct, click on Invite Now to send the referral. Etsy will process your request and send an email to your friend with a link and instructions for opening their shop. That's all there is to it. By using the invite page, choosing either your personal link or the email option, and clicking Invite Now, you've successfully referred a friend on Etsy.